Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. Today, I want to talk a little bit about what I think is the biggest opportunity when it comes to getting a lot of attention for a very little amount of money, dollars. That is the Facebook opportunity. The point is that what is media? This is realizations that I had along the way. A media company like NBC, CNBC, CBS, 96.7 FM station. We got Wall Street Journal, New York Times. We got all kinds of companies that have been around for many, many decades. These are all media companies. In the same way that Facebook is the biggest media company that we've ever had in history. So how does it work? Well, Facebook was built as a social media platform to have friends and family and people connect with each other. The reality is that the company was built in order to be able to be a massive communication channel for brands and products and services to communicate their message. It is an incredible marketing platform in order for one, as a company, to be able to scale and to be able to actually generate attention, which in the end is the only thing that makes a company win. If you don't generate attention, you simply cannot be successful. It's as simple as that. There is no company in the planet that is successful, that has growing numbers, that has great revenue, great income, if they don't capture attention. Attention equals income. Attention equals money. So a platform like Facebook, like Instagram, like Messenger, like YouTube, like all these guys, Twitter, Pinterest, etc., they just present you with an opportunity to capture a lot of attention. And it's so new. If you think about it, in the grand scheme of things, the internet world has only been around for about maybe 20 years, 25 years at the most. So the whole thing is really still on baby stages. If you think about a world that has been in existence for many, many thousands of years, if you think about business models that have been around for hundreds of years, if you think about a marketing world that suddenly has access to this thing that we call the internet, well, it's only just beginning. So it's great because it just has been confirming for me how new this opportunity is. So in case you guys don't know how Facebook works, maybe some of you guys have been on my seminars, I talk about this and I explain. If you go for your Facebook news feed, a news feed is pretty much the same thing as saying a newspaper. We all have one. If you go for your news feed, you will see today on your phone that for every 4, 5, 6 publications from your friends and family, there is a marketer, a company, or a brand that is paying to be in a spot there in your newsfeed. So a company pays a little bit of money to put themselves in front of people that don't know them yet, or pays a little bit of money to put themselves in front of somebody that, you know, is a customer of yours. You know, for example, I can give Facebook a list of my current customers and Facebook will find them and I can continue to communicate with them. I can continue the conversation with those people on the Facebook platform. That way we can stay more connected and in a place that I know they are using and they have their connections, their eyeballs in there. When I do seminars, I am noticing more and more and more. When I ask them who is using Facebook actively, we are getting in the USA about a 90% hand raised here, which means that 80 to 90% of the entire adult population is using this platform every single day for entertainment, for education, for connection, to find out what's going on with friends and family. They are using it for everything. They are using it to watch videos, to read articles, to consume content left and right. So for the first time ever, we have a platform that has access to the entire freaking planet, just like that. This is something that we never had before. No company, no organization, no brand, no media company has ever had so much power to access an entire population like Facebook does.